Are you on this natural hair journey, be it if you started yesterday or if you're years into it, and you're kind of getting frustrated because you're not seeing your hair thrive like you thought it would be at this stage? You're trying different products in the stores that are promising you these great benefits and outcomes, but you're not seeing them. Your expectations are not being met. Well, today I have great news because I have an all natural hair growth oil that you are absolutely going to love. Hi, I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where we are focused and committed to supplying you with all natural hair products containing only 100% authentic natural ingredients. We're talking about ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce that will not compromise your overall health. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below, and don't forget to wait to the end of this video where I will share with you all the natural benefits that Naturally You Hair Growth Oil has to offer you. So once again, I know I've said this over and over again, but I really want it to marinate and to resonate with you, okay? There is not one product on the market that can help you reach supernatural hair growth, down to your ankles, right? By itself. It's just not gonna happen. It takes focus and commitment to adopting a healthy lifestyle. You have to drink water, you have to exercise, you have to get adequate amount of sleep. You have to watch what you're eating, in addition to using good natural hair products. Now, I know, just like you know, once you walk into the store, there are aisles upon aisles of hair products, and you will probably see a good one or two aisles, long aisles, filled with natural hair products. But I challenge you to look at these ingredient labels on these natural hair products, people. Make certain that these ingredients are truly 100% authentic natural ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce. Don't fall into the trap of buying something all because they say that they're natural, but when you really look down and read between the lines, you're seeing that they also have chemically derived ingredients. Our focus at Naturally You is supplying you once again with all natural, 100% authentic ingredient containing hair products that are not going to compromise your overall health. We are focused on you being healthy from your hair all the way down, okay, your whole body included. So take the time out before you purchase that next hair product and just read the ingredient label and just make certain you are buying what you are told that you're going to receive. You are buying products that are 100% natural like they claim to be, okay? And don't become a product junkie. Like, there's no need to do that. Yes, you're gonna have to try to find a few or try out a few products that work well with your hair texture. But overall, it shouldn't take that much. You shouldn't have a cupboard full of hair products in the hopes that you will be able to reach the hair goals that you have set for yourself, okay? But once again, take that time out, read those natural ingredient labels, and make certain they are truly natural. Now, I feel as though natural hair products are the best. I'm speaking on my stance, and I feel as though especially if you are trying to continue this natural hair journey or start your natural hair journey, why not edify your natural hair pattern with natural ingredient products, hair products, right? So once again, I advise you to lean more towards natural hair products than not natural hair products to help out with not just your overall health, but more specifically your health, your hair health too. So this is my favorite part of the video, introducing to you our naturally used scalp oil. It's an all natural growth oil that promotes growth, of course, of the hair by nourishing the scalp. It has an easy twist top, hopefully you can see that, right? That allows you to apply to the scalp only weekly. You only have to apply this weekly. And of course, the ingredients are all natural, including like Jamaican black castor oil, lavender, peppermint, coconut oil. I mean, all of nature's good stuff, right? To help nourish your scalp and allow you to reach your natural hair journey goals that you have set for yourself. And once again, it's just a weekly application. That's all you need to do, and just massage it in your scalp. And that's it. You are done, okay? And once again, this not only allows for you to achieve healthy hair growth, but it does not compromise your overall health. We are dealing only and solely with 100% organic ingredients. So if you're interested, click that Naturally You link below to order your naturally used scalp oil. On our website, you can also read up on the ingredients for all of our natural hair products, in addition to reading up on testimonials from our customers. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, just leave us a comment in the section below. Also, if you have any questions on hair or comments that you want to share about your hair or hair in general, leave those also in the comment section below and we'll talk about them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.